With augmented reality, we can bring those seven wonders into people's homes. It's another way to engage with the past. The seven wonders of the ancient world are the Great Pyramid at Giza, the Hanging Gardens of Babylon, the Temple of Artemis at Ephesus, the Statue of Zeus at Olympia, the Mausoleum of Halicarnassus, the Colossus of Rhodes, and the Great Lighthouse of Alexandria. My job as a historian is to research the seven wonders of the ancient world. It would be fantastic to collaborate with people who could create augmented reality so that actually you could physically bring these wonders to life in people's homes. It means it's a multi-sensory experience. It's really genuinely exciting having this augmented reality companion to the documentary series, because what we try to do is to transport people through time. So the QR code pops up on your screen, you scan it, and then immediately you have the wonders on your phone and in your own home. Not just hearing, you're not just seeing, you're actively engaged, you're immersing yourself in real time. What we've done is compared them to the size of something that still stands today, so Big Ben in London. So this is the first time I've ever seen this kind of augmented reality experience anywhere in the world, ancient or modern. It was fantastic working with the AR Studio team in Paris because it was a real collaboration. We were sharing loads of ideas the whole time. We were speaking to each other to try to work out how to do this, because I think for both of us it was incredibly important that this was accurate and authentic, that we were being true to history down to the very last details. So it was really inspiring because we were creating something new from these beautiful wonders of the past.